Hey bakers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mistermezss TV. Okay, so do this happen to you guys before? When you are in the middle of your baking and you just realize you run out powdered sugar. So today the video gonna be on making the powdered sugar at home. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to do two different kinds of powdered sugar, with a regular sugar and with coconut sugar. So if you're ready to go, put on your seatbelt and let's step on the gas. So for our regular powdered sugar, we're gonna need 1 cup of regular sugar and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. So you're gonna put both together in the blender. Any blender you have in hand, you have to have a powerful blade to ground the sugar and the cornstarch together. Very easy. So let's go to it. Okay, so to do our powdered sugar, we're gonna use 1 cup of regular sugar. We're gonna put it in our blender. And we're gonna need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. So we're gonna add it to our sugar. Straight up. And I'm gonna cover with my lid. And we're gonna turn it on. And that's it. So after 30 seconds, we have our powdered sugar. So after 30 seconds of blending, this is what we got. And very nice and powdery powdered sugar. So it's ready to be used. For my second variation, I'm going to use 1 cup of coconut sugar, put in my blender. And 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, add to my blender as well. And I'm going to cover with my lid. Blend it as well, and we're all done. So we're all done with our coconut powder sugar. So we have a very fine coconut powder sugar ready to be used. Very amazing. Okay, so that's it for our tutorial. I'll show you guys how to make powdered sugar with the regular sugar and powdered sugar with coconut sugar. So you just add 1 cup of each with some cornstarch, and you just blend it and you're all done. If you didn't know how to make powdered sugar at home, now you know. So if you find this video helpful, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new on my channel, of course consider to subscribe, that way you don't miss any video just like this. I got a lot of tutorial to show you guys, and make sure you subscribe, that way you don't miss any of them. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you next time.